Illegally detained senior all-parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has reiterated his resolve to continue the struggle for freedom for the oppressed people of occupied Kashmir from slavery of India. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabir Ahmad Shah, in a powerful message from the Tihar Jail, India, to the young people of the territory, urged them to remain steadfast in their struggle for freedom. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah criticized the Hindu fanatic BJP and its proxies, saying that the BJP and its organs are fiddling an anti-Muslim narrative in the election campaign. According to Kashmir Media Service, NC chief taunted the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his speech in which he equated the Muslims as the infiltrators. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has asked the people to exercise their adult franchise to make their voices reach the Indian Parliament and convey to the BJP-led decision taken on the 5th August 2019 to abrogate the Article 370 was wrong and had to be revoked at all the costs. The Kashmir Media Service reported that Mehbooba Mufti also warned any move to postpone the South Kashmir constituency elections. A 19-year-old youth was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Bisna town located in the Jammu district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the deceased, identified as Kammu Sharma, was found under mysterious circumstances in the ward number 13 of the Bisna town. An injured member of the Indian Army-controlled Village Defence Guard has succumbed to his bullet injuries in a hospital in the Udhampur district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the VDC member, identified as Muhammad Sharif, 48 years old, was injured during a clash. World Kashmir Awareness Forum and the Kashmir Diaspora Coalition successfully held in the Washington, D.C., USA, an emergency meeting on the ongoing crimes against the humanity currently being committed by the Indian government in the disputed territory of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, both WKAF and KDC highlighted the current Indian government's disregard of the international human rights in the occupied territory.